You check here.
Wait, how can we see the brand? Oh, Maisto. Not like that, it might get destroyed.
Yeah, but
I like it, Ru.
it also connects. So
Wow, disconnected. Ang galing.
and here's his trailer.
Oh, I like it.
It also
Wait,
it has 3 on the other side, 3 on the other side.
Maisto gravel, oh. It carries gravel pala. Let me see that, the trailer. Oh, I like it.
Even it has an engine here. And I'll show you something else. This one, oh, this one's better.
Ooh. I like it.
And also we have this.
Wow.
It's a
Wow.
dump truck.
Yeah, I remember this. We bought it in Makati.
And yeah, but wala na battery.
Yeah.
And here's the trailer.
Ooh, I remember this. We bought this in the Ukay Ukay. Yeah, I think this is Tommy. I know it's not. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it is. And here is the fire truck.
Ooh, fire.
It's destroyed.
I forgot where did we buy this.
I think on the Okay Okay.
Ah, maybe, yeah.
And also,
Good job, Woo.
Also, we have this.
Ooh.
How old is this? Yeah.
Wow.
Now also we got this.
Ooh. You and Mommy bought this, diba?
Yeah. Also, the giant rotor.
Ooh, it's a giant. I like it, Ru.
It's also fast.
Wow.